இப்பதான் நம்ம audio launch and trailer launch Satyam Theatre முடிச்சிட்டு we are here. நேத்திக்கே iTunes, Sony Music had released music of the film, and I've had very good response from everybody, so I thank you again for that. In the part of the country, you all know what kind of a film it is. Tamil solnon kettu adha manaparam panni solren. And it is the first time we're doing a film like this in our country. Or a full length film, start to end in this technology pandro first time. Kochariyan is not a visual effects film where live actors and live background, CG characters, CG background, and the money mix illa. Kochariyan start to end is a created film. And again, I've said this in many platforms and I have to say it here today. Performance captured animation is not cartoon. Animation is a process, and Kochariyan is an animated film. Terila, but
first of all, I apologize that I'm not here because I had to respect this film. The first thing I need to tell you is everybody asked me one common question. All want to know whether this is cartoon or he said, what is performance capturing? I think somebody explained, but as a layman, what I would like to tell is, cartoon is something what is created on the computer. And performance capture is something an actor performs, and that is captured and translated into a digital image, which can be improvised and create whatever you want. So basically, Sum and Substance is the actor performs in performance capture film in every scene. And it's just an improvisation from what could be a reality. That's what it is. And the second thing, what most people ask me is why it's taken so long. What I would like to put forward to you is a film of this nature normally takes a very long time, almost about 4 to 5 years. And it takes a huge budget. Avatar was done for close to 3,000 crores, they say. And Tintin was done at a budget of 4,000 crores for 5 years. We have done this in less than 2 years, in a fraction of the budget. And definitely it is an achievement from India to do this, an attempt, and we're proud of what we had. And so definitely it has not taken as long as it sounds it has taken. The third thing is, as far as the film is concerned, it's all ready. The audio is released now, and we hope to get the picture censored next week, and we are planning to release the film in April. We are targeting for the second week, and we are working towards that. And everything, the publicity, and we are releasing it in 6 languages, in Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Marathi, Punjabi and Bhojpuri in India. And internationally, we are releasing in 4 or 5 more languages. And that could be released after the Cannes Film Festival in May, which could be in 4 or 5 other languages, which includes probably French, German, Japanese, and Spanish as well. Well, if there is anything you want to ask, I will be more than happy to clarify and answer. Thanks.
Good afternoon. I'm doing the sound design for the film, and it's quite a challenging project in that instance. Because this is not a live action film, there are some challenges. To make the film live, to make the film natural, recapture the performances of the actors, put it in the period, create all the adventures for you is what is happening, is what is my job is. We are in the thick of post-production now, as Dr. Sir said, hoping to get it out. And we are trying to get this film in this new Oro 3D, with a 3-dimensional sound, 11.1 format. That is also going to be on the new experiences. For me, this is a very, very big step for Indian cinema, and I congratulate Soundarya and Dr. Sir for taking such a huge risk on their shoulder. This definitely will take the cinema forward, I'm very, very sure about. And thank you for having me here, and if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer. Thank you.
From this point of view, நிறைய பேர் என்ன கேட்டாங்க இந்த மாதிரி இது பொம்மை படம் அனிமேஷன் படம் அப்படின்ட்டு தவறும் இல்லை. பிகாஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் இன் இந்தியா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சவுண்ட் ரிடியூஸ் பண்ணும்போது எங்கள் தாத்தா சொல்லிட்டு இருப்பாரு, ஸ்க்ரீனுக்கு பின்னாடி யாராவது உட்காந்து பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்க போல இருக்கு அப்படின்னு ஒரு டவுட் வந்துச்சு. அதே மாதிரி தான் இந்த படத்தை பற்றி நிறைய டவுட்ஸ் இருக்கு. பட் அனிமேஷன் வந்து ஒரு ஆக்டர் போய் பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணி ஷூட் பண்ணுற ஒரு ப்ரொசீஜர் இருக்காது. பட் இந்த படத்தில் வந்து நார்மலாக எல்லா படத்துக்கும் நாங்கள் கஷ்டப்படுறதோடு ரொம்ப அதிகமாகவே கஷ்டப்படுறோம். நிறைய பேர் சொல்லிட்டாங்க ஹவு வி மேக் திஸ் ஹோல் திங் அப்படின்ட்டு. It was a challenge for an actor to do something like this with a great experience for me. I should thank the director for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Neeta Lulaji, National Award winner, and she's designed all the costumes in Kochalian for all the characters. So, Neeta ji, I'm going to hand over the mic to you.
Very good afternoon to all of you. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Dr. Murli and Sunanda for giving me this opportunity to work on these project. Soundarya, who is really a wonderful director, and her vision is tremendous. And Rajni sir for also giving me this opportunity, which is a landmark in my career. I think I'm very privileged to be here, to be working on this project, which has a very different magnitude, where the work is all on paper. Actually, there are no questions, and it is a designer's delight because it gives you the leeway to do whatever you want, go into as much detailing as you want because of it being there in front of you on a sketch. And I think each character that we worked on had a very different appeal to be able to create a characterization for them. And I'd like to thank all of you once again, and thank you.
Animals use for working. Yeah. And the specific fights படத்துல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you will notice we have definitely used it. அப்பா டயலாக்ல இருக்கு கஜ துரக பதாதி அப்படின்னு. ஸோ அந்த கேட்டகரிஸ் ஆஃப் த வார் தி ஆர்மி படத்துல இருக்கும். அது ஃபுல் சீக்வன்ஸா பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இருக்கும். ட்ரெய்லர்ல we were able to show some highlight shots. ஸோ இருக்குங்க ஞான படம்லாம் இருக்கு. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு மேடல் அப்பா அந்த மாதிரி அட்வைஸ் சொல்லிட்டதுனால for many years, even before I got married, animation was my first love. So after I got married, my husband supported me enough and my in-laws supported me enough to pursue my dream. My first delivery will be Kochalian. After that, as per my father's advice, I should start a family.
Madam, ரஜினி சார் வந்து ஜப்பானில் வந்து நிறைய ஆடியன்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. நீங்கள் ஜாப்பனீஸ் லாங்குவேஜ் வந்து டப் பண்ண போகிறீங்களா? ஜாப்பனீஸ் லாங்குவேஜில் டப் பண்ணுறீங்களா?
அப்பா சொன்னாங்களே ப்ரொடியூசர் சார், டெஃபினட்டா அப்பா ஹேஸ் a huge fan following in Japan. And இன்னொரு பெரிய அட்வான்டேஜ் என்னன்னா நம்ம ஊரில் அனிமேஷன் ஒரு டெக்னாலஜி புதுசு. But Japan and abroad, America and London, all other countries, especially Japan, gaming is extremely famous in Japan. And அவங்களுக்கு அனிமேஷன் புரியும். அது என்ன மாதிரி ஒரு மீடியம், அனிமேஷன் படம்னா என்ன நம்ம எதிர்பார்த்து போகலாம் அப்படின்னு அவங்களுக்கு புரியும். So அவங்களுக்கு I think this will be a very exciting feature because it is their dancing Maharaja. அப்பா வந்து ஜப்பான்ல dancing Maharaja கூப்பிடுவாங்க. So அவங்களுக்கு to see their dancing Maharaja in Kochalian getup will be extremely interesting, and we're definitely releasing the film in Japan.
It's done in 6 languages: Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Marathi, Punjabi, and Bhojpuri.
Definitely. அது வந்து I think upbringingலே வர ஒரு விஷயம். நீங்க என்ன மாதிரி அட்மாஸ்பியர்ல வளர்றீங்களோ அதுதான் நீங்க லைஃப். Father is very religious and my father is very spiritual, so definitely அந்த எனக்கும் என் அக்காவுக்கும் அது வந்திருக்கு. அதுதான் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் கேப்சர். என்ன லைஃப்ல பண்ண முடியாதோ அதை வந்து இந்த டெக்னாலஜி வச்சு சாதிக்கலாம். எனக்கு என் அப்பா டான்ஸ் ருத்ரதாண்டவம் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும்னு ஒரு ஆசை. அண்ட் இந்த கெட்டப், அந்த கோச்சோடைய அந்த கெட்டப், அந்த ஜடா முடி அண்ட் அந்த 6 packs பாடி அண்ட் அந்த அப்பா சிவனே பார்க்குற மாதிரி இருக்கும். அண்ட் படத்தில் அந்த டான்ஸுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு டயலாகும் வரும். அந்த ஆதி சிவனே அவதாரம் எடுத்து வந்தது போல ஆடும் ஆனந்த தாண்டவம் அப்படி ஒரு டயலாக் வரும். ஸோ அதான் டெக்னாலஜி. I certainly hope so, and I think this is a very humble first attempt. If we had had 6 years' time and more budget, we could have definitely, like, the more the time you invest in this technology, the better it will look. Do I think this is something India will be proud of? Do I hope for that? Yes. It is the first of its kind. It's a very humble effort, so I am requesting all of you, and I hope all of you, you're the media, and what you guys tell people is what they'll understand. So I hope you understand this effort and you present it to the public.
Looking for Oscars or any other kind of international recognition?
Ellam Irevan Kayil. That's all I can say. Audio CD cover பார்த்தீங்களா? Audio CD cover கூட நாகேஷ் சார் இமேஜ் போட்டு.
This time close to about 125 crores.
ஐஸ்வர்யா ராய் பச்சன் ஒத்துக்கிறீங்களா? I am very proud to be Appa's daughter. Why would I ever give up my surname? And I am very proud to include my husband's name. So I am Soundarya Rajnikant Ashwin. எனக்கு ரொம்ப பெருமையா இருக்கு. இன்னைக்கு அப்பாவே ரிவீல் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. ஸோ இதுக்கு மேலே இதை நான் சீக்ரெட்டா இருக்கேன். ரஹ்மான் சாரே சொல்லிட்டாரு. ஆக்சுவலா Coach Aryan has 2 sons. One is Rana and one is Sena. And the story is about the role and the responsibility Coach Aryan gives Sena and Coach Aryan what he gives Rana. So இந்த கதையோட ஆக்சுவலாக நீங்கள் ராணா ஸ்கிரிப்ட் பண்ணிட்டு தான் Coach Aryan ஸ்கிரிப்ட் ரவிக்குமார் அங்கிள் பண்ணாங்க. Rana padam is about the clash. I actually have to apologize if we made you wait because I was with Shahrukh ji right now. Unfortunately, he had to rush back to Bombay on a personal event. But he's extremely excited about it, and he said that this is such a big attempt. I've known Shahrukh ji for a few years now, so he's aware that I've been in this technology and technology interests me. So he said it's a big leap for the animation medium in the country, and he's very proud. And I'm very happy, and I thank him again for taking time off his schedule to be with us today.
मैम 6 डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज में आपने जो है मूवी डायरेक्ट की है, 6 डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज में, तो काफ़ी दीपिका को या फिर जो हिंदी स्टार कास्ट है उनको आके समझाना, स्पेशली अगर तमिल में आप मूवी कर रही थी.
Okay, I'm going to figure out what you're asking me. I know broken Hindi. Did the artist find it difficult or did I find it difficult to communicate to them in their language?
Yeah.
See, not bad. My father's talking Hindi also.
So I wanted to speak in Hindi actually.
थोड़ा माँ.
It's okay.
और मैं try करूँगी. पूरा हो तो माफ कीजिए. Right? Okay. Adi plays Veera Mahendran, who is Jackie's son in the film. And see, again, in the little bit of the making we showed, you would have noticed everybody wears a head camera. So all their performance, that's why we call it performance capture. The facials and the lip sync and everything we capture. So I think Jackie sir tried talking in Tamil during the film. But yeah, it was definitely difficult, and Deepika too has spoken in Tamil. Lip Sync Club, if you notice, Deepika speaks in Tamil. So I think communication with them was not difficult because of English. But then performing in Tamil was a challenge for both of them.
Hope it's not Chennai Express Tamil or Chennai Express.
Withdrew. Animated படம் தாங்க. அதனால அது பொம்மை படம்ன்றது கலோக்கியலா சொல்ற ஒரு But whatever comments, whatever criticism, and whatever good is said about the film or bad is said about the film, we need to take it in the right strength. And that's what I've been taught, and that's what I will do. Anything negative, I'll make it better in the next film.
Soundarya, trailer is very nice. Congratulations once again.
Thank you very much.
And about our costumes, you are telling that it's Indian story, but costumes is different, something different.
National award winner இங்க உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. So அவங்க கொஞ்ச நேரம் பேசிட்டோம் நம்ம தரணும்.
Yeah. Tell me, ma'am.
Neetaji, you want? Yes, please.
Question to producer, sir. What much of amount is so far you have spent for this film, sir? Because it is unique in nature.
Just telling you here, it's about 125 crores. It's been.
We had a lot of collaboration, and we had a lot of technicians here that we trained under the guidance of foreign technicians. Again, the technology is the same in films like Kochariyan and Avatar, but the time that goes into the film makes the difference in the final output. So I have full kelvi kekala, but I don't think any two projects should be compared. Neither recent or and I feel there's a lot of talent in India, and I had a team of about 200 technicians who worked with me. And I would say it's a secret pipeline. And I want a proper discipline, 1, 2. We bent a few rules. We made our own rules. And I think God's been kind, and I had a good team that put together an assorted talent of people from different parts of the world who all have contributed in this film. So, 200 people, my core team is completely from Chennai. A lot of work is happening in China, and a lot of work happened in London and in America. If morning the Faceware and the Counterpunch studio, we'll give you the making to the press so that you can watch it at leisure. That studio is the studio that worked on the facial performance capture in Avatar.
Soundarya. Hello.
I just crossed my finger. Let's hope.
படம் டியூரேஷன் எவ்வளோ? அப்புறம்
2 hours.
தெலுங்கு ஆடியன்ஸ் எங்கேயே பண்ணுறது காரணம் இல்லை. தெலுங்கு ஆடியன்ஸ் எங்கேயே பண்ணுறது காரணம் ரீசன்.
Both the audio in the Tamil and Telugu market is very important, like every other market. Telugu and Tamil audio ஒரே platform we managed to get the dates of very big artists, KSR, Shah Rukh Ji, we were able to get their dates, so we wanted to make the event big and make it significant, so we released both the languages. Mohan Babu, he spoke to me yesterday. He was unwell, so he couldn't make it. He's family to us, so he won't miss it, but he wishes us well. Yeah, a few of it. They were montage songs, Kochariyan, the songs. அவங்களுக்கு இந்தியன் ஃபிலிம்ஸ் பிடிச்சதே இந்த சாங் அண்ட் டான்ஸ்க்காக தான். ஸோ ஐ டோன்ட் திங்க் வில் ஸ்கிப் த சாங்ஸ், பட் அப்படி வரணும், அப்படி ஒரு சூழ்நிலை வந்ததுன்னா ஸ்கிரிப்டுக்கு தேவையான சாங்ஸை வச்சுட்டு நம்ம கமர்ஷியலாக ஆட் பண்ணுற சாங்ஸ் எல்லாம் மட்டும்
சௌந்தர்யா
called him. Kamal uncle couldn't make it because of shooting of Uttama Villain. Uttama Villain para shooting alla varamudilla. Otherwise he definitely called him. I haven't had the opportunity, but when I meet him, I'll definitely show him. Again, a little clarification about Sultan. I said it on stage today, my passion in animation started 6 years ago. And at that point, technology was not as advanced as it is today. The concept of performance capture was not there then. So for a lot of reasons, that project was shelved and animation didn't stop. And God has been kind to me, and I'm blessed where I could restart my animation dream with Kocharian. Were there some motion capture data that we captured for Sultan that I have used in Kocharian? Yes.
Soundarya,
I have two questions. One is professionally, not many get their debut movie to direct a superstar. So how special and how challenging was it for you? And number two, on a lighter note, how was it to work with a...
To be born to Mr. Rajinikanth, I'm blessed. And to have a passion to direct and to have an opportunity to direct Mr. Rajinikanth, I'm blessed. Working with family has its pros and cons. Pros, when you're familiar with the person, are not con. Over familiarity in the professional, it doesn't help sometimes because my father was short specific to the scene, he'll react. And that won't be the scenario if you're not related. But I'm extremely close to my mom, and I think she's an amazing singer. Amma vandu Anpulla Rajinikanth paadiyirukanga, and then she sang in Tick Tick Tick. Yeah, and ippo after a long gap, she's been juggling so many roles. Wife, grandmother, founder, mother, avlo roles pannirukka time she's not found the time. But I was very close to my mom, and I went and told her, I want you to come back into singing, and you're so talented, why do you not sing? And Amma loves to sing, so she came in. So I don't think it was awkward working with my parents, and how many children get the opportunity to do it?
First YouTube teaser ku mixed review.
I think that was the major feedback that I got. ரொம்ப குயிக்கா முடிஞ்சிச்சு, தலைவரோட லாஃபாக ஒன்று போட்டிருக்கலாமேன்னு. ஸோ ஐ டுக் ஆல் தட். இப்போ நீங்கள் இன்னைக்கு ட்ரெய்லரில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஓவர் கோச்சடியான டைட்டில் அப்பாவோட லாஃப் போட்டிருக்கேன் நான். ஸோ will I continue making animation films? I think so. Will I also do live action films? I'm sure. We're so proud of him as a family because he's doing so well in North, and my sister and I are both creative people, so we discuss a lot of ideas and our approach with each other.
Soumya, does Netflix video games like Assassin's Creed and stuff have any influence on this movie?
No. Do we look at such things and appreciate the quality of those products? Yeah, but I don't think it has anything to do with it.
Yep.
Under 2 years.
The designs look, the designs Vali sir பேரு வைரமுத்து சாருக்கு அப்புறம் வந்திருக்கு. Any reason?
No reason in particular, but there are 9 songs in the film, out of which 8 songs have lyrics, and Vali sir has written 1 song. நிறைய songs இருக்குங்க, like 8 songs Vairamuthu uncle wrote and 1 song Vali sir wrote, so அதனால priority for the number of songs we have given.
Morning audio launchல வந்து குழந்தைகளுக்கு இந்த படத்தை முதல்ல போட்டு காட்டணும்னு சொன்னாங்க. Do you buy that idea?
Yeah, sure. I think
how are you going to take it forward?
we're thinking about it. We think we'll have special shows for children because one, I feel, and even Rahman sir told me this, kids watch it with a very open mind, and you know, avungalukku the Rajinikanth image, the commercial, Bomma mari irukara, real irukara, andha mari illama they watch it just to appreciate the movie. And why children meet to our children? My nephew, my sister's sons are such crazy fans of my dad. And ஒரு குழந்தை தியேட்டருக்கு போச்சுன்னா குடும்பம் will follow. So I think that's why we will definitely keen on targeting children.
And how about your practical difficulties because it is a 3D movie? How about the number of screens you will get for the movie?
We have made some arrangements with Cube and Glowfo. And ordinary 2D theatre can be converted to 3D by just spending 2.5 lakhs, which is very big boon for the theatre owners. Normally it costs 30 to 40 lakhs, but these people have made arrangements, so whoever wants to convert, they can do it now. So we announced it actually, and a lot of people are doing it right now.
So you have any idea of the number of screens that will be available because it's hardly a month away?
See, as far as the film is concerned, we have both the versions, 2D and 3D. And I know as stands we have 125 3D theatres in Tamil Nadu. And definitely we will target them. And other than that, if you go by what Indran was released, there will be 500 theatres totally in Tamil Nadu. I presume the remaining 375 theatres we could release in 2D theatres. Or I expect another 75 theatres to convert themselves into 3D. So we may have about 400 3D screens and 300 2D screens. We'll know more about it as we go in the next 4 years. It's a very interesting question because I'm always very passionate about it. I don't know whether Soundria is going to tell you all that, but I will tell you. Soundria worked with young boys, 40 of them, from Arts College in Kumbh. And she had an art director. His name was Velu. A very young boy, and they're all very passionate that they've done it. I don't think they've done ever anything on the scale. But the advantage we have is they gave all the time, all the attention which this was demanded and deserved. And from their point of view, they had a great opportunity to do something like this. From our point of view, we had young boys out of the college to whom we have given a great opportunity. Yeah, it will be done. Just that we couldn't do it today.